Hi, my name is Julie Miller, 574-276-2067 from My Florida Dreams in Ellenton, Florida. Today we're showing you a 1981 Schultz double-wide mobile home in Colony Cove. This is the enclosed lanai. It's just under 200 square feet, double pane windows, air conditioned. There's ceramic tile on the floor. Oh look, a phone bin. We have open concept. And look at the view from the kitchen. Plenty of storage in here. It's got all new 3/4 inch subfloor. We have new laminate floor, the kitchen hallway. More storage in the hallway. The guest bedroom is huge with a big walk-in closet. Nice ceiling fan. This is a very clean home. Guest bathroom. Got the tub shower surround. Very nicely updated. Into the master bedroom. Nice and big. Nice and bright. Two separate closets. One is a walk-in closet. Into your updated master bathroom with a walk-in shower. Nice tile backsplash. This home is close to 1,200 square feet inside. And we're going to take you outside and we're going to show you a secret. She keeps a couple of freezers in here, but look at this. They have over 500 square feet of garage. You don't come across that very often. The laundry's out here, and it opens up to an open porch in the back. Also air conditioned. You want to turn it into your man cave. My name's Julie Miller, 574-276-2067. Give me a call. Let's make this your dream come true.